Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this part, we will see multiple choice questions based on Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming in PHP. Question number 1. PHP is Object-Oriented Programming Language. Options are true, false, and correct answer is A, true. Class is a collection of dash dash data members, functions, both A and B and null. And correct option is C, both A and B, because class is a collection of data members and member functions. Which of the following is true about class? The properties are different types of data objects like numbers, strings, nulls, and booleans. Methods, on the other hand, are functions that operate on the data. Options are only first is correct, second is correct, both A and B and none. Correct answer is both are the correct because properties are different types of data and methods are the different operation you can perform on this data. Data associated with an object are called its, and correct answer is properties. Functions associated with an object are called its properties, methods, both A and B, none. And correct answer is B, methods. Functions associated with an object are called its methods. We can create empty class in PHP. Options are true, false, and correct answer is A, true. You can create the empty class without the data and without the methods you can declare your class. In PHP, to create the object of given class, use the dash keyword. When you are creating the object, which keyword you are using? See, different options are here and the correct answer is new. When we are creating the object, $object equals to new and your class name. This is syntax for the creating class object. Question number 7. In PHP, dash operator is used to access properties and methods of the object. And options are A, B, C and D. And correct answer is A. By using this operator, we are accessing the properties and methods of the object. Which of the following is are correct? Within class methods, non-static properties may be accessed by using the operator. Static properties are accessed by using the double quotation. Okay, and both are the correct. Static methods and properties in PHP can directly accessible without creating object of a class. Options are true or false. Correct answer is A, true. Which of the following visibility that a member variable or method can have? Public, private, protected, all of the above. And correct answer is all these are visibility mode, that is your public, private, protected. Properties or methods declared as dash are not allowed to be called from outside the class. Options are A, public, B, private, C, protected, D, all of the above. And correct answer is B. If your data is private, then it is not allowed to call from outside the class. Properties or method declared as a dash are available to class itself and to classes that inherited from it. Options are public, private, protected, all of the above. And correct answer is C, protected. If your properties or methods are protected, then only the class itself and the classes that inherited, means the subclasses of that class, only access these methods. Dash is a default visibility level. Public, private, protected, all of the above. And the correct answer is A, public. Public is a default visibility level. When we create a new object, it is useful to initialize its properties. Options are true, B, false. And the correct answer is A, true. Question number 15. Debugging and maintenance of programs is much easier if you use. Options are inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, all of the above. And correct answer is B, encapsulation. If you are using the encapsulation, then debugging and maintenance of the program is easier. Dash is a way of defining new class from existing class. Inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, all of the above, and correct answer is A. Inheritance. To create true copy of an object, you can use operator, size of operator, member reference operator, clone operator, all of the above. And correct answer is C. Clone. By using the clone operator, you can create a duplicate of the existing object. Class names are case insensitive, true or false. The answer is A. True. Method use the dash variable to access the properties of the current object and to call other methods on that object. See which method is used, and correct answer is C. This. Method use this variable to access the properties of the current object and to call the other methods on that object. If you declare a method using the dash keyword, subclasses cannot override. Options are A. Function, B. Final, C. This, and D. None. And correct answer is B. Final. If you declare a method using the final keyword, subclass cannot override it. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share video with your friends. Thank you.